welcome back to the channel. This is Eddie Toro, and I'm going to do a house tour of my mother's, dearly departed mother's house. This is her house, and she left it to my brother and I. And this is a taste. This was remodeled in 2021, and my mom came back from the United States after living in Canada and mostly in the United States for 50 years and some change. And this house was remodeled in 2021, and she moved in like in March or April because it started being remodeled in 2020 right after the lockdown finished and all of that. She flew back. She decided she wanted to live here in December 2020, and she didn't want to live in New York anymore, and she loved New York. She was a New Yorker straight through, all the way through. And this was some furniture that her deceased brother of my uncle that passed away many years back left to her in terms of the living room, and just the furniture, the living room furniture, the table, and all the other stuff she got with the help of her sister and brothers. And so this is the thing. This is a house, not in a gated community. Here we have one bedroom with a bed and a little sliding bed out for when my brother and his kids come. Here's where the two teenagers would sleep, or the two girls, I mean, or something, I don't know. And it's a closet and everything, high material wood, and with all the shelf space and everything. This house is 126 square meters. I don't know about feet. I'll look it up and I'll leave it on the screen there in the description box as well, and places to hang your clothing. And then with more space, since these are high ceilings, where you can store the things like the Christmas stuff my mom used to have here that we would put out on Christmas. The few Christmases she got to spend here until December 2022. She only got to spend 2020 December Christmas, but that was with her brothers and sisters. And this is one internal patio, small one there with glass sliding doors. Sliding glass doors for good circulation. I had made a previous video, but it was with my phone. Now this is with my GoPro, much better because it got repaired. So here we are. This was initially the master bedroom. My mother was sleeping in here and everything. Fan, all of that with the buey lights, they call them in Spanish, los luces buey, like an ox and eye, whatever. So this is her room initially, with a walk-in closet here with plenty of space to hang her clothing and put all this stuff here. This is what she left behind that maybe the girls would want to get. My two nieces, maybe they want to get something. If not, then yeah, we'll give them away. We gave all her clothing away to a geriatrics home run privately by a family member of my mom's and everything in downtown Medellín, and her husband, and we gave all the clothing away to them so they could use with the elderly people there. And with this mirror right here, so you could see my mom could see how she was dressing up and everything. And this was her master bathroom here, and all new from 2021. Like I said, high ceilings and all. Everything is new. Big vanity mirror and all of this, and with the drawers to put in your stuff. I still haven't gotten rid of some of my mom's stuff because I was out of the country for almost a year. I wasn't planning on coming back. This is the dining table. I didn't turn on the light for this. This is going to be one whole shot with this video. I'm not, whatever, maybe it'll be cut up into two pieces because it might go over the 8-minute mark or 10. Well, it's at 4 minutes, so it should be good. This is the old bathroom. This house was small in terms of area that was constructed. So, that light is starting to go out. Well, it will be replaced at some moment, just like a couple of others. This is the old bathroom towel. This has been here for like 40 years. The only thing that is new, the only things that are new are the glass cabin here, that shower head thing. But you see, this is old still. This has been here forever. This broke off before I came to live here. Some tenants were here, and people are paying rent when it was rented out. This is still the old stuff. The only thing that's new is the shower head, the toilet, this part right here, with this, and the vanity mirror. But this all this stuff is old. This used to be up to here, and it had like this acrylic ceiling here, and then some lights here, and then they just made it higher because this is a high roof. This is an old house, but it was remodeled. This is the bathroom here, half bath. My mom used to use because after I came to stay with her when she was injured because she had a fractured shoulder, She had fractured her shoulder maybe a week before I came back from Mexico, because I was living in Mexico and I was going to go back to Mexico. I was only going to be here for like 3 months or 4 while I did some things that I needed to do and go back to Mexico, waiting for India to open its doors to regular travelers visas, since everything had been suspended because of the 2020 mishap. And this is another closet, and this is where my mom moved into. This became her master bedroom, but it didn't have a walk-in closet or its own private bathroom, but she felt better here. This is some of the stuff left over from the construction, from the remodeling. So you'll see that, yeah, I mean, it's just like this, with the shelves where you could store blankets. That was my mom's hat that she used to use for Feria de las Flores or some festival. She was always very lively and colorful. I love my mom, even though she's gone. But never forgotten. Gone but not forgotten. I love her. This was her bed here. It was a special bed that was bought for her, that is electronic and it moves up and down. It's got electronic massage, and the footboard, or the foot part, raises up for her circulation, or anybody that needs that like that. Or the headboard, this part, the head part of the mattress, raises up and has the electronic massage thing from different variables. I've used it a couple of times after my mom's passing, just when I was so tired from all the stuff that happened. And that's the patio over there. And yeah, you can see it's a nice big house, a nice modern refrigerator and everything, but nothing in it because no shopping done. Well, I don't live here, but my brother and I use it. We didn't want to rent it out to anybody, and I still got to do some cleaning. This is the patio here, and good breeze comes in. There's a TV here, kitchen, all of this is new. Like I said, her china is in here and everything still. We didn't get rid of those things because my brother and I need them. And stuff for cooking, some pots and everything, gas stove, they work like that. And these kind of doors that you don't slam them, they just kind of go like that and close slowly, and they don't like go. And then this is the area where you would have a washing machine and a dryer if you want to, or if you don't want to use a dryer because it uses too much energy. Because if you're going to be living here, if you're going to live in Colombia, in like Medellín or Envigado, this is Envigado, then you could buy one of those things. But most apartments don't have this size of a thing unless they're big apartments. This is a house, not an apartment. This is all still messy because they were doing some work like 2 months ago here, some painting and some touch-ups because there were some problems here, some leaks from the roof, because it's a high roof, it's a high ceiling, higher than this, but we brought it down because this was an old house my grandfather built back in the 1960s with some other houses he had here in Envigado, and then he left each of his children a house and money and stocks in Coltejer. He was a wealthy man, but simple. So that's the tour of the house. This is something you can look forward to if you're going to relocate to Colombia, become a pensioner here, a migrant visa, whatever, and then get residency status after 5 years. If you need my services, you can consult with me for a fee, 1 hour. Just if you're really interested, I'll let you know what the fee is. If you're really interested, just contact me. Look for my email on the channel here in the profile section. You go to my channel page, not this video, but when you click on Editoro, that little thing with my profile photo there, but you don't see my face, it just says Medellín. Aquí todo florece means everything here flourishes. You just click on that and it takes you to my homepage where all the videos are and playlists. And you like go to that part where it says description or something about me, not about the video, but about the channel. It tells you about who I am, what I do. And in that part, you scroll down and you'll find my email. And all you got to do is just write it down and then contact me if you're serious of relocating to Medellín or Rio Negro, Envigado. I've been here for 26 years total. I speak Spanish fluently. I speak English fluently, of course, because I'm American. I'm Colombian American. That's it. Born and raised in the US, and I gotta go because right now it's Fiesta del Carriel. I'm gonna make a video about that for all of you guys before it gets dark, so you can see it before it gets dark and then dark. And then I go home to go out into the country house because I am a country boy. I'm a mountain man. I love the mountains. I don't like the city or the towns to live in them. It's just not my thing, but it is maybe for you. So let me know if you're interested, and we could set up a video call on Google Meet or whatever you have for a fee, and all your questions that you have, I will answer them to the best of my ability. And if you're coming over here and you want a tour, walking tour, or a tour in the car, if you're not the walking type, I do that for a fee too. Contact me through my email or on Instagram at travelingeddy1 with a number 1 on it.